Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Ramlahs kitchen. I Ramla would like to thank all of you all for supporting me. Now I'm going to do Ketti Urundai. Ketti Urundai is also another traditional dish. Now this Ketti Urundai also is ready made, but I going to add in certain things. Now I bought one packet of this Ketti Urundai flour. Okay, now I put inside this Ketti Urundai flour. Okay, now this Ketti Urundai flour I have to put this Mung Dhal you have to roast. You have to roast this Mung Dhal, this coconut and this sesame seeds. So I'm going to roast it. Okay, now I have to roast this. First you have to roast this Mung Dhal. So when we bite the Ketti Urundai, like they got like some gibi here. See? So roast it and grind. This coconut, if you all like, you all can put. If you all don't like, you all don't have to put. Okay. But okay, of the sesame seeds. Okay. Then roast this. Put it inside the flour. Okay. Coconut. Okay. I'm putting in extra 1 cup of this Mung Dhal. Extra 1 cup. Okay. This is ginger, ground ginger. I'm putting 1 spoon of this ginger. Putting 1 spoon of this cardamon powder. Okay. Small round. You have to make sure the round. Small. Okay. Now already I have mixed. Okay. Now I'm going to catch it into round ball. Now I have brown sugar. Again we have to melt this brown sugar. I'm putting 1 packet of brown sugar. Then I'm going to add the
1 packet is how many kg?
500 grams. 500 grams. Add a little bit water and make this like a syrup. We have to make it like a syrup. Okay. Okay, I like to use brown sugar. There are some people who use white sugar, but I like to use brown sugar. So now brown sugar, you can catch into small Ketti Urundai. This is the Mung Dhal that I've grind. Now I'm going to put inside. Okay, mix it. Now the brown sugar, I think the syrup is ready, but don't overcook the brown sugar because after you'll have a bitter taste. So now I think the brown sugar ready cooked. Now you can see, see like this. It must come like this. See how the one, see, it must pour like that. That means the syrup is ready. You must see like that. It must drop like that. That means it's already. Now we are going to catch it. Now we have to pour little by little and catch it into balls. Okay. Pour little by little only. Only have to pour little by little. Then catch it in balls. See? It's hot. Okay. Okay. Now we have to some more little bit. Okay, now you see everything is ready. Now we can catch it into balls. See? You see? It must be like this, a little bit more. When all the flour is wet, then it's easy to catch. Okay. Now see the flour all wet ready. So now I'm going to catch and put in ball. Okay. This is actually a very nice. When it cool, the one will go hard by itself. Okay. You just catch it like that. Hot. Okay. Okay, this is a Ketti Urundai I caught and I put into the Mung Dhal, plain Mung Dhal, because you all have to coat it with the Mung Dhal. You all have to do like this. Okay, and keep it. Okay. பக்கத்தில் Okay, this is the Ketti Urundai that I did. Okay, I think you all can see the Ketti Urundai. This is the Ketti Urundai I did. Okay. Now this is Ketti Urundai. Actually, it's very nice to eat. You all can keep and eat. This is Ketti Urundai. This is the Ketti Urundai that I did. I hope you all have seen me doing the Ketti Urundai, and I hope you all like it. And you all must try it, and then you all must give me your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.